In front of me is OnePlus Pad Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background like that. To continue, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select split screen from this pop-up. Now tap on the second app, and as you can see, finally I can use both at the same time, which is super useful when multitasking. If you want to go back from this mode, you can either go into background apps and swipe both like that, or hold this gray line in the middle of them. You can use this line to either scale your apps like that, or by dragging it all the way to the right or to the left, you can exit split screen view. But now my favorite part. If you have a favorite combination of split screen view apps, you can click on this gray line here and save it by tapping on Save as App Group. Now you can exit split screen and look for a new shortcut to click on it and access your apps already in split screen view right away. Last but not least, if you wish to just switch places of them, you don't need to exit this view. Just click on the same line and tap on Swap. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!